In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Coinbase. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on these three bars just like so. Then go ahead and press on account and settings. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that does say phone numbers. Then it is going to bring you to a page that does look like this. And basically what you want to do from here is you want to go to the top menu and slide down over here until you see connections. Then you want to go ahead and just press on connections right over here. It is then going to bring you to a page that does look like this. And then from here, you want to go ahead and select on these three dots that are right next to your profile picture. And then you want to go ahead and select on accounts. From here, it is going to go ahead and open up your account information. And you'll notice that towards the bottom, we actually do have the chance to edit our phone number. So let's just go ahead and press on edit like so. And obviously, if you are making such changes, then you will need to go ahead and first of all, verify that it's you who's actually making the changes. So yeah, you may need to go ahead and enter in your password a few times. But basically, you want to go ahead and enter in your new phone number. And then afterwards, you really should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.